Hey my pretties, welcome back. So I am at Dollar Tree getting ready to go in. Hopefully I find some good stuff because lately they've been having a few things but not a whole lot, so keep your fingers crossed. Okay, so when I walked in, they have this whole little stand set up with the stars, the moon and the clouds still, the ugly sweater, stationery. What is this? Emergency flashlight. Looks like that. You have these paper clips. These were out a long time ago, so they're bringing them back by Jot. And they also have this one. Those are really cute. Okay, what is this? Light up pen with emojis on it. It says try me. Oh, okay, so the emojis will light up like that. They do still have the calendars, the stationery stuff like the card holder, the little containers, and these are metal, or those signs. They have restocked these little magnetic tin cans. You have the silver, you have the pink ones, or they have the turquoise. Skimming through the books, I see Megan Kelly, Settle for More. 75 colorful hexagons to crochet. Total Teen by Tracy Anderson. Stags, One Deadly Weekend. That looks interesting. Dead Letters. This one. Look at this one. That's really nice. And it retailed for $16.49. A dime. Here's some new tote bags, and I cannot believe they are actually like a canvas. The only thing is they are kind of thin, but so much better than getting like this one, you know, the little plastic one. So let's see, keep moving forward. Let me go through them and see if there's other sayings on them. Okay, so here's the 4 that I saw. So we saw keep moving forward, be your own kind of beautiful, enjoy the little things, and of course no problema. Those are really nice though, and they do have handles. Oh, look at these cute little baby socks, newborns. You have the pink stars, the cute little dinosaurs like that with the blue, or you can get the yellow ducks or the little swans. Okay, look at these cute journals. You have a rocket ship, and they're kind of like that holographic kind of, you know, material. You have the sloth in that window, the panda, the tiger. Let's sit those right there. Look at that. I have to get this one. The cat laying on the floor doing like yoga or jazzercise. Feline, the burn, get it girl. And there's a TV back there. She's on her little yoga mat. This one, Mermaid on the picture in the back. That is cute. Is that the same? Yeah. Okay, so those are the only designs I see, but I think I'm gonna get these two, the 2 cats. Okay, this location has their jewelry out, the pearls, lots of silver and like little gold stuff. Kind of looks like the stuff you can get on the Shop Miss A website, but yeah, they put this out. Some packs you get like 3 earrings. That one, some little hoops, and then down there they put out more of the flavored lip balms. Here's some more of those toothbrushes, the Brush Buddies charcoal infused bristles, bamboo charcoal toothbrush, eco-friendly. So that's here. You know, the last time I showed you guys this, I actually bought a box, but I haven't used it yet. I think I forgot about it. I'm gonna start using this tomorrow. Oh look, they have some upholstery and carpet cleaner for the car, glass and chrome, or leather and vinyl. Okay, I don't even think I've ever seen a salted caramel Milky Way. Wow, and I like Milky Ways. Okay, I'm gonna have to try this one. Ooh, they have some Russell Stover Pecan Delight Bar, or you could get the caramel bar. They still have a lot of cool movies, but look at that. The Flintstones and the Stone Age Smackdown original movie. They have something called Zand. Sand sticks to itself, not to your hands. Neon yellow, sculpt and play without the mess. I see yellow, there's orange. They have different little designs to them, the star, the circle, and then the green one, Kingdom Green. Those are kind of cool. Kind of like that kinetic sand. Here's air dry clay. What is that? Airplay. Okay. And then I see this right here called Stringy Majiggy. You know what? I remember making those little things like that with my friends. And then you take your fingers and you pull it. And then, you know, pull your fingers through. That's kind of cool. One string, tons of figures. I wonder if it's stretchy. Oh, here's some stickers that's just sitting here. Those are pretty. Look at that. I like the little way the green is. I like that. And then these were right here. Cute for crafting. With for Valentine's Day, just go ahead and get these early. And then look at here, Daily Defense Moisturizing Shea Butter Almond Oil. And this is a body wash. Okay, shea butter and almond oil. What does it smell like? It doesn't really have too much of a fragrance. So I came over to the sticker area to see if there was any other stickers that I didn't see. And I don't remember seeing this one either. That's really cute. I think I want to get this one. Oh, look, they have some Justice League vinyl keychain series by Kid Robot. That's actually a really good deal because the Kid Robot products, if you look on like eBay or anywhere else, they sell them for way more than $1. So these are the keychains you can get. I'll probably get it like 3 of them to take to Pooh Bear. Okay, so you know how I showed you guys the little moons and the stars and stuff, right? Like right there with the blue. And I usually see the blue and the pink and the yellow. I have not. This is my first time seeing them in gold. And this one actually has a cute little face on it. Wow, they have the gold and the silver. And then there's a cloud. Wait, yeah, there's the cloud. The stars, and then there is a gold moon over there. Yeah, like this one. Let's see. The only thing is that you can see the face better on these opposed to like this one. You just see the outline of the face, and then like you can see the eye, but I think they're still cute. Here's a few new magnets. I need some space. I like the colors on that one. Thankful, Grateful, Blessed, Never Stop Dreaming, and then look at this one. She Just Shines. Oh, they brought back those cute little banners right there. Strong is the New Pretty. Here, a wooden slingshot with 1 slingshot and 3 pom-poms. Okay, you guys, I am done in here today. I hope you enjoyed this walkthrough, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.